Good morning, children. Note down your computer syllabus for half-yearly exam. Chapter 1, 2, 3, 4. Follow CW copy and textbook. All the classworks. Follow classworks of copy and textbook. Computer syllabus for half-yearly exam. Chapter 1, 2, 3, 4. Follow all classworks of copy and textbook. Now children, you are learning chapter 4, using computers, do's and don'ts. Today you will do classwork in your copy. So be ready with your copy and pencil. Let us start. Write CW. Write today's date. Write chapter 4. Question number 1. What is booting? WH80 what? IS is BOOTING booting. What is booting? Answer: starting a computer. STARTING starting. A COMPUTER computer. What is booting? Answer is starting a computer. These are all short question answers, so write down. Question number 2. What is a desktop? What is WH80 what? What is a desktop? DESKTOP desktop. The screen on the monitor. The screen. SCREEN screen. SCREEN screen. On the monitor. MONITOR monitor. What is a desktop? The screen on the monitor is the answer. Question number 3. What are icons? What are icons? ICONS icons. Answer: the small pictures on the desktop. The small pictures on the desktop. What are icons? The small 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 PICTURES pictures. on THE the DESKTOP desktop. So see, check from the beginning. Question number 1. What is booting? Answer: starting a computer. Question number 2. What is a desktop? Answer: the screen on the monitor. Question number 3. What are icons? the small pictures on the desktop. Children, learn the question answers and the spellings. And for your first term exam, write properly with dark pencil. You will write your name, section, class and subject on each paper and give page number. And your computer syllabus, I am telling you again, for half yearly exam, chapter 1, 2, 3 and 4, the classworks you have done in your textbook and copy. Learn all. Now let us revise. Chapter 3, fill in the blanks. We did. A printer is used to dash our work. What is the answer? Print. P-R-I-N-T, print. A printer is used to print our work. A scanner is used to dash paper documents in computer. A scanner is used to copy paper documents in computer. Speakers helps us to hear dash. Speakers helps us to hear sound. UPS supplies dash to the computer for dash when electricity goes off. UPS supplies power to the computer for some time when electricity goes off. So, I think you are learning all these things. You have already learned. We are doing revision. A monitor looks like a dash. You can write here television or TV. A monitor looks like a television or TV. A keyboard is used to dash letters. A keyboard is used to type letters. A keyboard has many dash. A keyboard has many keys. System cabinet holds the dash and other parts of a dash. System cabinet holds the CPU and other parts of a computer. A computer mouse is used to dash things and dash pictures on the monitor. A computer mouse is used to point things and draw pictures on the monitor. CPU is called the dash of the computer. CPU is called the brain of the computer. So children, learn all the classworks from your copy and book and with the spellings. Till then, bye bye. So today we did question number 1, 2 and 3.